Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your employees and edit your organization. So you just click to edit, click on edit employees, and you can search for their name by starting to type it in if you like, or you can just go and click on edit next to the person you want to edit. You can change their first name, last name, phone number, and choose whether or not they're an admin or a user, and then click save. To edit your organization name, this is the name that that public sector organizations and other organizations will see. You can come to the edit organization, just change the name here, and click to save it. And that's it. One other thing you can do in the application is you can edit your own personal profile. Clicking on profile, change your first name, last name, phone number, change your password, and change your email address if you want to. And you can click on this link to open our support site. Thank you very much and enjoy using Cenefits.